Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and a brand new video. Matte versus dewy makeup. Which one actually looks better? And more importantly, which one are you? Because honestly, this isn't just about trends. It's about your skin type, your lifestyle, and even the weather you live in. Matte makeup is usually preferred if you have oily skin or if you want something long-lasting and shine-free. Dewy makeup, on the other hand, is all about glow, hydration, and that healthy skin-like finish, but it doesn't always last as long. So today, I'm testing powder versus liquid makeup side by side, and you can decide what works for you. Starting with primers. This is the Maybelline New York Fit Me Primer Matte Plus Polish. It instantly looks more blurred and almost dry to the touch. This is such a great budget-friendly option, especially if you have oily skin or large pores. And this is the NYX Professional Makeup, the Marshmallow Primer, way more creamy, slightly shiny, and it feels really hydrating. This is actually one of my personal favorites. It gives that soft plump base and it even has a subtle marshmallow scent. So, if you want a matte base, go for something like this. If you want hydration and glow, definitely this. Even before foundation, the finish is already completely different. Now look at the foundations. The Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte Plus Polish 16-Hour Oil Control Foundation spreads a little thicker and sets much faster. It's honestly one of the best matte foundations out there and easily competes with high-end ones. If you have oily or combination skin, or you live in a hot, humid place, this is such a safe choice. While the L'Oreal Paris True Match Super Blendable Liquid Foundation is way more fluid and reflective. For a dewy look, I would definitely recommend this. I personally love using it at night because it catches light beautifully and makes the skin glow. Matte looks more controlled, but dewy instantly catches light. Which one would you pick just from this? Powder versus liquid blush is where it gets really interesting. The MAC Matte Powder Blush in the shade Melba looks soft, diffused, and very natural. It's a classic shade, super neutral, and works on almost all skin tones. The Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Liquid Blush is way more pigmented and just melts into the skin. You literally need the tiniest amount and you're done. If you like something subtle and easy, powder is great. But if you want that fresh, flushed from within look, liquid blush is the way to go. Now, highlighter. This is the biggest difference. The Rare Beauty Positive Light Silky Touch Highlighter gives a soft, controlled glow. I like using a brush with this. It looks very refined. The Rare Beauty Positive Light Liquid Luminizer literally looks wet. You can blend it with fingers, a sponge, or even a brush, and it just melts into the skin. I genuinely love both. It's so hard to choose, but I think I slightly lean towards the liquid highlighter. If you want a subtle glow, go for the powder. If you want that glass skin effect, liquid wins. This doesn't even look like makeup anymore. Matte versus gloss. The Charlotte Tilbury Matte Revolution Pillow Talk looks soft, blurred and very elegant. They're actually really comfortable, not drying at all, and you can try different shades depending on your vibe. And the Charlotte Tilbury Big Lip Plumpgasm Pillow Talk Medium instantly adds shine and dimension. It makes your lips look fuller and more hydrated. For me, it honestly depends on my mood. Some days I want matte, some days I want glossy. But what about you? So, looking at everything together, matte makeup looks smoother, more even and very controlled. Dewy makeup looks fresher, more reflective and more like real skin. But here's the interesting part. Dewy looks better on camera, but matte usually looks better in real life, especially in heat. And in Indian weather, this makes a huge difference. Let me also give you some great recommendations for matte and dewy products that are available in the market. Don't forget to screenshot this. So if you're someone with oily skin or you want something long lasting and low maintenance, here's what you can try. But if you have dry skin or you love that fresh glowy look, then dewy products that are mentioned here are definitely worth it. And honestly, the best makeup look is somewhere in between. Let me know in the comments, are you more matte or dewy? Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.